Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to another video. This time my video is about my happy mail I received, some yarn purchases that I've made for yarn that I've never tried before, and my thrift shop purchases for my make-along charity shop challenge AU. So let's get started. My first little bit of happy mail is from Barbara. I received a postcard of the Kennedy Space Center, which she and hubby love to visit. They're really into their space genre and like looking at it, and I really enjoy receiving her postcards. So thank you, Barbara, for the postcard. They are mounting up. So we'll start with my acquisitions. I was trying to find plushy yarn here that isn't mill-ends. I wanted to try and actually find some yarn, and Tracy at Travel Crochet had mentioned a yarn she buys by Portercraft. So I went looking everywhere in Cairns. No one stocks it. And then I got online and Craft to You do stock it, so I bought some. Unbelievably, I only purchased it last week and it arrived like that. It was so quick. Considering the roads are really bad and transport's not that great, I'm not even sure Julie's present has even left the country yet that she won. I haven't heard yet whether it's hit America. Usually I get notification, but we will see. So it arrived really quickly. They were very prompt in dispatching my order. They must have had everything I wanted. So I did buy some fiddlesticks in this green yarn. I keep trying to find the right green. I do not like green, but I can't seem to find the green that I want. This might be the closest I get, so I need that one ball for a project. And I also bought some more knitting needles in Knit Pro knitting needles, size 3mm. I want them for a future project. If you haven't seen those, they're just, I don't even know how they pack them now. It's so, there you go. Knit Pro 3mm, they were $14. So I got those. So the yarn I was interested in is the Portercraft chenille, or blanket chenille. Blanket chenille they call it. Blanket polyester Portercraft, 80 meters in a 100-gram ball. And it recommends an 8mm crochet hook. I think that's a bit big for this. If I wanted to make plushies, I'd probably go down a lot smaller. And that's about it. That's what it looks like there. So I got the color Teddy Bear. I bought a few, so I hope I like it, otherwise I'm stuck with it. This one is, color is, it's got them on here somewhere. Oh, I bought two teddy bear in the Portercraft chenille. I bought two purple. They call it solid purple. I love that purple. I thought it was great. Two gold. The project I'm making, I don't know if 80 meters in one ball will be enough. That's why I bought two. I can always use the bits of scraps up. And then I bought, sorry about the rustling, one in the color Solid Ivory, which is a creamy color. In this light it looks a bit pink, but it's not really. So that's what I bought. I like Portercraft because they send them in these airlock bags that I can use later when I travel. So they were very excellent customer service, dispatched it really quickly. $10 postage for that. If you spend over $125 in Australia, you get free postage. I don't know what you get if internationally. This was $4.50 Australian a ball. I have no idea what Tracy pays. And yes, no one in Cairns stocks it, even though it feels like a really nice budget yarn. If to be honest, it's really soft, and it's probably the thickness I really like. I have trouble with the really thick chenilles. So that was my acquisition purchase. So I have been thrift shopping because during February for my make along, if you haven't checked the video out, please do, and jump in and join in the fun. It is Charity Shop Challenge AU, charity shop, op shop, thrift shop, wherever you can buy donated yarn, and you have a budget of $15. Your currency, don't worry about currency exchange, £15, 15 US, 15 Canadian, 15 Australian, no more than that. That's your budget. So I called in at the little charity shop, op shop near me. Just, you know, was over that way. Thought I'd call in again. And lo and behold, I found some great yarn. I found these 3 balls of yarn. Now, this again feels like my weight of chenille or blanket yarn. This is Hello Love by Creative World of Crafts. It's a UK yarn. It says a 6 super bulky using an 8mm. I probably wouldn't use 8. This color is pale coral. They are 4 balls. There was a ball of this one, which is grape, and then this one, which is sea foam. These were $1 each at my local charity shop. And I did my research. For me to buy them, I think they're close to $14 each if I buy them online and bring them here. I actually gave my charity shop $5 because I felt guilty only paying $3. So yes, they're lovely and soft, and I'm going to try those. There's always little amigurumi plushie projects I can use them on. My steal of a find. I found them a while ago. First of all, I got crochet hooks. It's open because I have used them for one of the projects and try them out. It's a 3-pack. There's a 4mm, a 5mm, and a 5.5mm. $3.50 from Lifeline. They're Sullivan crochet hooks. Look, they're not bad. I mean, I did try them out. They're not bad. The hook's a little, but definitely a bargain if you have no crochet hooks. I'm probably a little spoiled because I have an extensive range of Clover and More hooks, Clover Soft Touch, tulip hooks, but I did use them. So that was my crochet hook find. The big find was, it was the color that caught my eye. It is these color wheel. Lincraft color wheel. Lincraft is another box store, a department store here. They are 10 in the bag. Look, I took one out so I could have a look at it. It's quite fine. I'd say it's like a 4-ply. There are, I'll take another one out. Sorry about the noise so I can read the label. That's what the label looks like. Color wheel, Lincraft, made in China. Color is jellyfish, and there's a pattern for a jellyfish on the label. And there is, it's a 100-gram color wheel. It recommends a 2.25mm crochet hook because it is quite fine. It's 100% acrylic, and there are 219 meters in a wheel. And I have 10 of them for $10. That's all it costs me. You see? $10. Now, the Lincraft color wheels, when they first brought them out, they were selling them at $5 each. And they then reduced them to $3. And I haven't seen them since. But if you work out that I got 10 color wheels at $10, they cost me $1 each. And it's lovely and soft. I have used color wheels before, not necessarily Lincraft. So there's over 2,000 yards there to make a project. So that will be my charity shop challenge project using these hooks. I actually did pick up one more hook from a charity shop that was $2 or $1, because I know I was under my $15 budget, so $13.50 must have been $1, which is smaller. It's a 3 millimeter. So yes, I don't know what I'll be using yet, and I really don't know what I should make. I keep thinking a blanket, but what sort of blanket? There's definitely enough there to make a reasonable lap gown that I can donate to Crochet for Cancer or another charity. Look, let me know in the comments below what you think I should make, and if you have any pattern suggestions, please put the links in the comment below so I can check them out. That would be great. And talking about Charity Shop Challenge, I received my first photo yesterday from Soxy Nana Alice. She sent me a photo of what she's bought, what she's doing, and that was awesome. I really was excited. It's great to have Alice in Canada doing it. She's currently doing a year-long challenge, a sock-along challenge. I am making socks. I'm just a little slow. Please check out her channel. I will put her picture at the end. I did receive about 5 minutes ago a message from my friend in Western Australia of her charity shop purchases. She looks like she bought quite a bit and had a real good day thrift shopping. It is fun, and it's truly amazing what you find. And even if you don't buy things, you do see things you might like and think, isn't that nice? That's someone used to own that. Look, Soxy Nana has thrown a challenge back at us that we actually go through our stuff, whether it be our yarn stash or our personal stuff, and we donate to charity. Not clothes, because I do believe they get a lot of clothes, but so like she was donating old musical instruments she doesn't use anymore. I know I have quite an extensive range of tennis rackets my sons don't use anymore. They were for my older son in London. He was quite a good tennis player, and they've been here forever. So when I talk to him this weekend, I'm going to ask if I can give them away. Probably to the local tennis club. They're always searching for tennis rackets for people to come and try with. And these are good quality graphite rackets that you probably pay quite a bit for. And I'm going through my yarn stash, because I do believe we all have yarn that we bought years ago with no idea what we were going to make with it. We just thought it was a bargain, and we keep passing it by. So I'm going to get real hard on myself and radical and go, that's going to a charity shop, that's going to a charity shop. Just like someone did with this, or decided to give away 10 rolls of this. I just think it's amazing what I have found. Let me know in the comments below what you have found. Send me photos if you've done your shopping. So in total during February so far with my thrift shopping, I've probably spent $32.50 in total, and that's quite a lot of yarn. Probably more like $35, because I have donated a bit along the way. So it's probably about $35 so far. And it's not quite over yet, but I think I'm pretty much satisfied now that I found a really good yarn to make a nice little project with. Maybe a couple of projects for Charity Shop Challenge. I hope you join us. It's a lot of fun. I know some people out there don't have good charity shops around them, or their charity shops are a little expensive. But hey, it doesn't hurt to have a look. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed my acquisitions. I'll let you know how I get on with the blanket chenille from Portercraft. Maybe find out off Tracy what she pays. I didn't think $4.50 was a bad price actually. And if I ever get a survey from one of our department stores, I will be putting, why don't you stock this yarn? We need a bit of variety here in Cairns or in our region. Okay, till next time, stay well, stay safe, and get hunting for your Charity Shop Challenge project. Bye for now.